Now we will show you how to set up the Leveluk series that produces Kangen water. First, check the accessories of the Leveluk series. Then, install the unit on a flat surface. And next, here's how to install the diverter. Check the type of faucet beforehand. We will show you 3 major types here. First, we will show you how to install the shower nozzle type diverter. These are the accessories you can use. First, remove the foam part already fixed here. Then, check the packing at the shower head adapter and tighten it at the end of the faucet. Next, set the fixing nut and tighten it at the foam adapter with the foam adapter packing. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Now, tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. Next, we will show you how to install the outer screw-type foam adapter. These are the accessories for use. First, remove the old faucet already affixed there. Set the fixing nut and foam adapter packing into the faucet. Check correct screw size and then tighten the foam adapter at the end of the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. Next, we will show you how to install the inner screw-type foam adapter. These are the accessories you will use. First, remove the old faucet already affixed there. Set the fixing nut and foam adapter packing into the faucet. Check correct screw size and then tighten the foam adapter at the end of the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Now tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete.